Good morning. It's 1:51. I got up probably 1:30. Kids had to go outside. I've done poop duty out in the yard. And I'm friggin' tired. But I had a good night last night. Drove well home. Today's Friday. 2 out of 4, so let's get that. It's a beautiful day. I really enjoy hearing the birds, and we got a little bit of traffic on the road, but it's just nice, you know? It's not too hot, it's not too cold. I really enjoy it. I don't know. I'll get back to you in a little bit. I want to say hi.